Good day, and this is Arn Abantao and welcome to my channel. And for today's video is i-open ko yung aking FB. Dapat araw-araw chine-check natin kung meron tayong mga violation sa ating FB. Ayan, punta lang po tayo sa ating profile and then professional dashboard, tap lang po yan. And yung choices na pagpipilian natin is that monetization. Oh no, monetization status, your profile lost access to some monetization tools. Yung aking stars is restricted or limited. Check ko nga. Wala naman akong ginawa dito. It's inability to earn. Wala naman akong ginawa dito. Bakit nag-restrict yung aking account? And next, sa aking content monetization din. Kasi ito yung all-in-one natin. Andito na yung performance bonus, kumbaga. Limited din. So, I'm going to find out kung ano yung aking mga violation dito sa restriction ko dito. And you will see your profile lost access some monetization tools. And tap ko si find out more. Sinasabi dahil na lost access daw yung aking monetization tools, which is hindi ako nag-follow na may mga violation akong nagawa, which is this against our partner monetization policies. And aside from that, yung aking payout daw, it's not updated. Pero nakapag-apply naman ako in regards to the tax info before. Baka may mali lang siguro ako na info. And ipa-find out ko ito more. So, hayaan ko na lang. Medyo masakit sa ulo to. Kung paano ang remedy na maayos ko itong aking profile, which is limited as the moment. And isa nga lang sa hindi ko nagugustuhan sa content monetization is that araw-araw nagbabawas ng revenue. I don't know kung bakit. Bonus before, performance bonus before is araw-araw. Kapag may earning ka daily, so nadadagdagan. Pero dito kapag hindi ka nakapag-engage is that nababawasan yung revenue. Kaya minsan natatamad na ako mag-upload, makipag-engage. Kasi yun kasi importante, makipag-engage dito din kay FB. Medyo matrabaho nga lang kay Meta. And update ko kayo susunod kung ano yung pwede na remedy para matanggal yung aking restriction dito sa FB.